Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to see about spinal cord. It is a part of central nervous system. It occupies upper two-thirds of the vertebral canal. Then it comprises of 8 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral and 1 coccygeal nerve. Then it is of 45 centimeter in male, 42 centimeter in female. Then it extends from upper border of atlas vertebra to the lower border of L1 vertebra. Then in children it extends up to the L3. Then superiorly it is connected to the medulla oblongata and it terminates as conus medullaris. Lower part of the spinal cord it terminates as conus medullaris. Then the spinal cord is shorter than the length of vertebral column. The spinal segment do not lie opposite to the corresponding vertebra. The vertebral spine is always lower than the corresponding spinal segment. Now, below the level of conus medullaris, only pyometer is continued as a thin fibrous cord. It is called as filum terminale. Now, in lumbar puncture, what we do, we aspirate it from the always below the level of L2 vertebra, as the spinal cord extend till the L1 vertebra only, to prevent any damage to the spinal cord. Now, cauda equina, nerve root of right and left side of L2 to L5, S1 to S5, coccyx 1 nerve lies almost vertically around the filum terminale. This is filum terminale, nerve arising from here, these lies vertically and it seems like a tail of a horse, therefore it is called as cauda equina. Now we will see about conus medullaris syndrome, cauda equina syndrome, poliomyelitis and Tabes dorsalis. In conus medullaris syndrome, there occurs injury to the S2, S3 and S4 segment of the spinal cord. As a result, it leads to anesthesia in the perineum, bowel and bladder disturbances, as parasympathetic supply to this bowel and bladder arises from S2, S3 and S4 segment. Then sexual functions are also affected. Then cauda equina syndrome. There occurs lower motor neuron paralysis in lower limb due to compression of the ventral nerve root, and due to the dorsal nerve root involvement there arises pain. Then poliomyelitis, it is a viral disease. It involves anterior horn cell. It leads to flaccid paralysis of the affected segment. It is lower motor neuron type of paralysis. Then it can be fatal if it involves C4 segment, as it supplies the diaphragm. Then Tabes dorsalis, it occurs in the tertiary stage of syphilis. It is degenerative lesion of the dorsal nerve root and of posterior white column. In this Tabes dorsalis, there occurs severe pain in the lower limb due to the involvement of lower thoracic, lumbar and sacral segment. Here in this diagram we can see why in poliomyelitis their anterior horn cells are involved. Thank you viewers for watching my video.